Hello, my name is Sumia and I am from Morocco. This is an informational video we're making to encourage you to apply for Star Scholar Network Certified Researcher Training 2026, and we'll answer a few questions you may have. So, Dr. Sharma, when our fellow researchers around the world see the application form or program information, they might be asking, what is this program about? Or what are its objectives?
Thank you, Sumaya. And hello and welcome everybody watching this video around the world. This is a professional development program for scholars involved in research. And it's very different from most of the professional development around research, teaching, and education that you might see. It is designed to help scholars like you develop your research goals and visions for the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. In other words, it's not designed to help you with one project, but rather how to approach your research agenda for a lifetime in terms of a research career. There is a clarity about social impact that you'll make through your research that you'll find that is unique to this training. We have trained about 200 scholars from 40 plus countries in the last 4 years who have come to this training and developed research agenda, research mission, research strategy to make an impact on their society. And we are hoping that with the next 50 to 100 people, we are going to train you to approach research with a greater impact and greater productivity in your career. It brings together researchers from around the world, from across the disciplines, from all the age range and the range of expertise and seniority. So wherever you are, whoever you are, if you want to figure out how to make a greater impact in your society and the world through your research, this is the right program for you. It is a transformative program in the sense that it changes the way in which you approach research, and it shows you how to do that through 4 different modules.
Thank you, Dr. Sharma. Sumaya, how is the program structured?
Thank you, Yusuf. So the program runs for 4 weeks and includes 4 workshops. 1 workshop per week, followed by a final celebration day. Every week, participants complete 1 module. In each module, they will read the materials, watch the assigned content, and complete a practical task. After that, they submit a self-assessment and receive feedback on their work. During the weekly workshop, facilitators go over the module, highlight the key ideas, and open space for discussion. Participants also work in breakout rooms where everyone has the chance to share their thoughts and learn from each other. At the end of the program, during the celebration day, participants present the mini training program they have designed based on what they have learned and share how they plan to apply it in their own communities. We then reflect on the experience together and celebrate everyone's achievements.
Thank you, Sumaya. Now, Yusuf, what are the benefits of this Star Scholars program, please?
Okay, thank you, Wilbur. This program offers practical research training that strengthens methodological skills and research effectiveness. It also supports in developing and refining research agenda, helping scholars define direction, priorities, and long-term goals. Also offers an opportunities to network with the researchers worldwide, fostering collaboration, interdisciplinary dialogue, and global partnerships. The program offers guidance on translating research into societal impact, learning how to ensure their work contributes meaningfully to communities and policy, innovation, or development. The program offers recognition through earning a Star Scholar certificate, enhancing professional credibility and demonstrating commitment to impactful research.
Now I'm going to ask a question that our applicants might have about the time and commitment. What is the amount of time needed? Because you participated last year, Wilbur, and what are some expectations for commitment?
The program basically will take 4 weeks, and it has 6 days of workshops and orientation, during which participants will be required to have at least 3 hours per week to have some time investment of this worthy program. We expect that all participants will attend all the workshops and complete each module, so that now they have an opportunity to connect and network and build this relationship with other scholars throughout the world.
Dr. Sharma, can you tell us please who organized this program and who supports it?
There is an organization called the Society of Transnational Academic Researchers. It is a network of volunteer scholars who want to support young emerging scholars, but also connect with senior scholars so that we can contribute to the world of research in a more socially driven, socially purposeful manner than simply publishing for the sake of publishing. So if you could publish, but also make an impact on a society, whether it is through your economic policy and the organizational enhancement, it is on engineering and infrastructure, is it in medicine and healthcare, is it in history and culture? If you can contribute to your society with the amount of knowledge and skills and expertise that you have gained as a PhD scholar, why not? Why simply publish and only pursue your personal benefits? So we realized that it took us a long time to really understand that we could use our PhD to make a big impact on society. And we thought, why don't we train people to pursue that kind of career? And that is where the program was born. And there are no money receiving or money giving mechanisms here. It is free, it's straightforward, it is online, and you apply. It is very not easy to get selected. 200, 300 people will apply, and we will take only 60, 50. And then among them, some will drop, but we try to take people that are really committed. If you read the program carefully, you'll realize that you do need to spend 3 hours a week for 6 weeks. But if this program took 200 hours, I would do it. In 18 hours, you're getting a lot out of this. So if you're committed, if you want to pursue a different type of career, this is a free program run by a voluntary scholars organization, and that kind of training has become even more necessary in the age of AI, where people are trying to figure out how to use AI in a meaningful, purposeful way that is also honest and ethical. And so we are integrating that this year. We started last year, but we are doing that. You're welcome to apply. We really encourage you to apply if you're a hardworking person with an ambition to contribute to society. And those of us who are presenting are from Morocco, Kenya, Ethiopia, and the participants are from all over the world. This is an opportunity to connect with people like you from around the world and across the disciplines. It can change your career, and the 4 people here can vouch for that impact that the program has had on them.
Thank you, Dr. Sharma, Yusuf, and Wilbur, and thank you, future participants, for watching this video. We look forward to your application.